Hi, HelloFresh. Wanted to thank you all frontline workers for packing our food and taking care of us.
I'm thankful for your support and helping me on my cooking journey.
Thank you, HelloFresh, for providing us with yummy meals.
Thank you very much to the people who make the recipes. Thank you very much to the people who pack my box.
We appreciate what you do and will continue to be loyal customers.
Thank you so much for every single box you pick, pack, and ship. You guys really rock.
My wife is a nurse in New York City, and the fact that we can get fresh quality ingredients delivered to our door allows us to worry about one less thing in the midst of all that's going on.
We so appreciate everything you're doing every day.
You guys rock!
Woo! Thank you.
Thank you.
Gracias.
Thank you.
Thank you. Thanks, guys.
Thank you.
Thanks.
Thank you, fulfillment team. Muchas gracias.